Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners guide. Alright, so we've been testing out the Amazon affiliate program on our YouTube channel. And I, as well as Arit, have been doing some reviews on products, and we've been putting the Amazon affiliate links in the description of our videos. Now, I'll go into more detail about that a little bit later, but like I said, we've been testing it out, and we were doing like an experiment because I haven't done very many product reviews. I'd say I've done maybe less than 30 product reviews, and these were videos that we were already going to do on our channel. So the cool thing is when you put an Amazon affiliate link in your videos, when people purchase an item, you get a commission on it depending on what the product is. And so far we've earned our first $100, which I think is really neat because it's something that can complement your YouTube channel. And you know, if you're gonna make the videos already, you might as well make some side income on it. I want to share with you guys a resource. If you guys haven't signed up for an Amazon affiliate account, I created another tutorial on that, and this is the tutorial right here. I go through the entire process from beginning because I was helping out another YouTuber friend set out their Amazon affiliate account. So I recorded the whole process, and that tutorial will be in the description if you haven't already signed up for one. It's free, and I highly recommend that you do this if you have a YouTube channel. So let me briefly explain how we use the Amazon affiliate program. So this video right here, the Swell water bottle review, I had bought this when we were on a trip in California, and I loved it so much because I drink water all the time. And I had previous water bottles that were plastic and metal that did not insulate the water. I like drinking cold water all the time. So when I found out about the Swell water bottles and how, you know, if you put cold water in it, it actually keeps it cold for 24 hours. And if you put hot water in it, it actually keeps it cold for 12 hours. So when I found out about this product, I wanted to create a video on it because I loved it so much. So I created this review video on the Swell water bottle, and I explained my honest opinion and review of this product. And then in the description, I put the Amazon affiliate link in there for this product. Now, what happens when someone purchases through your link, this is what happens. So this is the earnings that we've made for the month of February, I believe. And what's cool is, you know, even though they clicked on that Swell water bottle link, like they clicked on that Amazon link from our video, if they go over to Amazon, even if they purchase something else that is not the Swell water bottle, but they landed on Amazon because of our link, we still get commission on it. And I'll give you a bunch of examples here. So this is for the month of February. Now, I will tell you that the earnings aren't like huge. Like Amazon's not going to give you like 10-15% commissions. The percents are like 6% and less, depending on what kinds of products that people order. If it's electronics and you know, hot commodities like that, it's going to be lower. If it's things like clothes and toys, you'll get a higher percentage. So it really depends, and it really matters on the product. But hey, it's really cool to get paid for stuff that you didn't even promote. And I was already going to do the Swell water bottle review, so might as well put the Amazon affiliate link in there. It's free, it's simple, you know, it's just a simple way to make extra side income if you're doing YouTube videos. So let me explain this here. This Elmer's all-purpose glue, I did not do a review on Elmer's glue. I didn't talk about that at all. But we earned, you know, 56 cents on that, you know, and I did not promote that. And here, this Manfrotto fluid head, I believe it's like a tripod. I don't have a Manfrotto, so I did not do a product review on this, but we earned $6 on that. I don't know what link, maybe they clicked on a different technology video that we were reviewing, a different product. Another cool thing here, another Elmer's glue. I don't know what that, like, I did not do a video on Elmer's glue, but for some reason we have 2 sales on that we earned commissions on. Now here's something that we did promote. So the smart band, it's like a Chinese brand of a step tracker. We did promote that. I did do a review video on that did very well, so we did earn commission on that. So that's something that we directly did promote. And here, this Melissa and Doug is a toy brand. They sell toys that are made out of wood, mainly. I did not promote that, but we got $1.62 for that. And you can see that, you know, everything adds up. And the more and more product review videos that I do, the faster that we get commissions. In the beginning, you know, we got $1 here, $1 there, a couple bucks there. But now it's starting to ramp up, and I can see that if I do more product reviews, that, you know, this is going to be a nice, you know, easy side income that you can get from Amazon affiliate. And one more thing here, Amish Country Popcorn. Definitely did not do a product review on that, but somehow we got a commission on that. So that's the cool thing, is that when someone clicks on your link, even though they don't buy that particular item, they might buy something else, you get a commission for it. And one more here, this nice and easy hair color light brown. Also did not do a product review on that, but made $1.62 on that. So that to me is awesome. Now these amounts are small, but you know what? Everything adds up. So let me show you exactly how we did this. Now you will need an Amazon affiliate account. It's free. Make sure you sign up for one and then come back to this video and follow our instructions. So this is the example of the IWOWN Fit Smart Band. It's basically a smartwatch. Oh, sorry, let me pause that. It's a step tracker, the heart rate, says the weather. I wanted to test these out to see if I really wanted a step tracker, to see if I really wanted a smartwatch. So I wanted to test it out, and this thing was like $28, less than $30, and I did a detailed review. So it's about a 13-minute video. I do an unboxing, and I had used this product for about a week so that I really knew about it. So I knew that you could wear it in the shower, but then if you wore it in the shower, that you would need to make sure to dry it in certain places, how long the charge lasts for. Basically, I did a really detailed review for someone who was thinking about buying this. They would get all the information from my video, and they could decide, okay, yes, I want this, or no, I don't. Now, the key thing to getting people to click on your link is you need to give a lot of value in your videos. You need to go into detail. You can't, like, if I had just unboxed it and, you know, was really silly with the review and just said, oh, here's the Smart Band i6HR, you know, watch, you guys should buy it. If I didn't give any additional information, people aren't gonna see me as credible, and they're not gonna want to buy it. Now, I will say that all the review videos that I've done, I'm doing an honest review. So I actually say what I like, what I don't like, and I typically do the review videos if I really like the product because I want to share it with people. I don't typically do videos where I say do not get this. So if I am doing a review video, it's things that I actually like and want to promote to people. So the key is to being real, genuine, honest, detailed. When you do that, people feel inclined to click on your link in the description. I'll show you that in just a second here. Because you've given value to them, they feel like they can trust you and go ahead and buy that. Now, when I buy things, I will go check out reviews, YouTube reviews of people, and I'll see if they're being honest, and if they are, you know, and actually want the product, I'll click on their link. Because it's not going to cost any more to me to click on their link and they're going to get a commission, and I appreciate that they did the video for me. So I'm just going to scroll down here. So this was the product that, I was doing a review on, and as you can see, this video has 9,500 views, and here's where I put the link. So it says here, get the IWOWN Fit i6HR smartband on Amazon. And I've got two links here, Amazon USA and Amazon Canada. I'm here in Canada, but I promote mainly Amazon USA because that's where the majority of our audience is watching from, and that's where the majority of people buy from. Now, you could go and put a bunch of different other countries. You could go put Amazon UK, Japan, Mexico, all the other Amazons, but you need to sign up for those specific Amazon affiliate accounts, and they're all free, and you can link them up. Again, make sure to go in the description. I have the tutorial on how to sign up for the account for free. But basically, I put this in there, and after they've watched my video of me going in detail, they may feel inclined, hey, this person really gave me some value, let's check it out. They click on it, and you know what, if they buy it, cool. If they don't, and they end up, you can get into a black hole on Amazon when you try and you search for one item, you see another, and then you end up buying a bunch of things. That could seriously happen, and you would get paid for that. So that's the cool thing about this program. Now, this is our playlist of our review videos by me specifically. Arit usually does review videos on books. She reads a lot, so you can also do them for books. That's why there's not many books here, because I don't read as much as she does. But you can see here, so I did the Swell water bottle review. I did this iHome Bluetooth speaker review. Our Nikon D5500, like these are all things that we use. This yoga mat, Arit got this yoga mat. Vega One chocolate powder, drink that all the time. The Bose SoundLink wireless headphones. My sister actually got those, and I compared those to a cheaper brand of headphones that we had. So you can see that you can literally do this for any type of product. Like, it doesn't have to be a high mainstream product. Like, look at this. This is a laptop charger cord that probably most people don't even know about. But this video got a bunch of views, and I think someone actually bought this one from our link. This is a microphone set, green screen, stabilizer. As you can see, it's mainly like gear that we use for our YouTube channel, cameras and things like that. But there are other random items here, like this fitness blender bottle. I did a review on that because I recently started working out, and we take like supplements before and after. This water bottle review, I can see that people clicked through the link and didn't necessarily buy this particular water bottle, but they bought a different water bottle. So you can see that I don't have a huge amount, like I don't have a lot of product review videos, but they do get clicks and people do purchase. Like, you really underestimate how many people actually buy on Amazon on a daily basis. So first steps to getting started is get a free Amazon affiliate account. And like I said, I have a tutorial that goes through that exact whole thing. And in that tutorial, I do go into a little bit more detail on how to actually get a product link and put it in the description of your video. So you guys can check that out. Once you have an Amazon affiliate account, you need to create some YouTube videos of product reviews. Now, in these product reviews, you need to be honest and genuine. Don't be fake to people, and don't say the product is good when it's not, because they will not trust you and they may not come back to your channel or listen to your opinion next time. So you don't want to be fake. Like I said, I generally promote products that I actually really like, and I do say what I do like and I don't like in the product. After you do your product video, you need to put the Amazon affiliate link in your video just like this. And then when your video starts getting more views, and hopefully you've provided enough value that people will go into your description and click on your links. And then from there, you will start to make sales and get commissions on things that you have promoted and things that you haven't promoted. So that is it. That is how easy it is to do this Amazon affiliate marketing strategy for beginners. It's not that difficult. You don't even specifically need to buy products to do this. You can do it on products that you already have. And that's the thing, is you don't need to do the high mainstream, reviewing the iPhones or reviewing like laptops or whatever. Like, you can review anything. Like, give you an example. I'm sitting in this room here. I can see a salt lamp, okay? You can do a review on that. I can see a lava lamp. There's a printer here. There's another different kind of a water bottle. You have appliances in your kitchen. There's all different kinds of products that you can review, so you don't need to go out and specifically buy anything. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. That is how you get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. And if you have any more questions, please put them down in the comment section below, as I may create another video for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.